We're now looking at the JSE listed ABSA Bank stock, and we're on the monthly chart. And the one question that I'm asking myself at this point in time is now actually a good time to consider buying this particular stock? And just looking at the price action, I would say no. And that is primarily because it is quite expensive at this point in time. And as I always say, the name of the game in as far as investing is buy low and sell high. And right now, as things stand, the stock is very much high. And ideally, I want to see price actually crash to around here somewhere, which is at the 13,617 rand mark, or at least this level over here, right? And then that's when I would consider buying this particular stock. Having said that, we can also see at this point in time that we have what seems to be an overextended W formation there, which has a neckline more or less at that point. And what this tells us is that we may potentially see the market come back to that very same level, right? And at that point, where the neckline is again where we may see price continue to move further up. And by the way, the neckline is at the 17,686 mark. And even if price were to come back to just test that neckline, I would still not buy, because in my humble opinion, the stock would be pretty much too expensive. And as I said, ideally I want to see the the market actually drop to around here, right? And then again, maybe to around this level over here, more or less. I hope you guys can see that, right? The last point that I want to make is that it seems as though price is approaching a very strong level of resistance, and perhaps at that point we may potentially see the market move further down to maybe this level first, and possibly to this level, which is the 13,617, right? So in conclusion, I'm going to wait for price to drop, right, before I consider buying this particular stock, right? And as I said, ideally I want to see price reach this level, and this level as well, right? So these are my striking points where I will be looking for buy opportunities, as you guys can see.